MightyOxTrading is good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday. Hope everyone's having a great day. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Let's see what we can do with the markets here. NQ and gold both were coming down over this last 5-minute candle. They're popping back up here. So watching this here, and then we'll go through. We'll see what the markets did overnight. Bands are kind of curling up. I'm missing something here. Hold on a second. My setup's off. Not sure how. There we go. That's better. Okay, corn. Corn sending a signal. What's corn doing? Being corny? Oh, corn's coming down. Okay. And oil. Soybean oil, that is. So we'll keep an eye on this as we check the markets. Ready to trade TickTickTrader's evaluation. Our sponsor. So let's look at copper. It started off with a big fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put it back together again. And we have about a 240 tick range. Gold also been falling throughout the evening and morning. About a 11-point range there. All the metals continue to fall. UltraBond's been rising up. A little over a point in range. Looks bigger than that, doesn't it? But nope, a little about a point. Natural gas, I'm not sure what exactly happened, but it opened here and it opened over 400 ticks above where it closed on Friday. Hey, Mr. G, good morning. How you doing? And has just been, after that, it came down a bunch and then just has been flat, pretty much flat since. Although I guess not as flat as I thought. As we have about a 235 tick range, so not as flat as I thought. Crude oil. Crude oil high of a little over 105, low slightly below 102. About a 1.5 point range or so. Nice. Are you bullish or bearish? Bitcoin's fallen some in the last 24 hours. It's quite a fall, actually. As you can see, I did trade last night. I'm up on the Apex account. Morning, Matt. How was your weekend? Oh, yeah. Yeah. I'm not awake yet. Gee. As far as crude oil, it's amazing how different analysts can have different views. You got one analyst from like Citibank or Chase or one of those saying oil could go above 200, and then you have another seeing it crash to 60. Looks like I should have taken the gold short here. NQ is still hanging. Yep. Big news this week will be Wednesday for the inflation report. Do have an OPEC monthly report tonight at midnight Central. Tomorrow there's like nothing on the schedule except for a U.S. Red Book and a Fed speaker. You also have the Bank of Canada interest rate decision on Wednesday, as well as crude oil inventories. So Wednesday's a hopping day. Hopping, stopping. Corn continuing to try and get my attention. Ooh, I should have taken that corn trade. How corny of me not to. Yep, Mr. Gold. You're right about that. Oh. Good morning. A lot of people here. It's early Monday morning already. Glad to have you. Remember, there's a like button there. It likes being hit. Don't ask me why. I guess it's a freak. You know, everything's kind of showing red right now. Wish I had taken this short here, but I didn't. Wish I had taken that short, but I didn't. Recent low over here, 12.045. UltraBond. I studied the UltraBond intensely over the weekend. I want to start taking more trades on it. You can see on that break, which I wasn't awake for yet, we would have come up 10 ticks there. That would have been beautiful. Copper. Nice move down. So if I had gotten in here instead of hesitating, be up 8 points. 9. It's still heading down. What the heck? We decided to go short on 5 micros. I'll have to take a look at it, G. Previous, excuse me, previous hourly low is 12.045. Trying to get back below that. Oh my god. Doesn't want to really get below 12.050. Market loves halves and holes as support and resistance. Well, this candle's 12.049. See if we can break and get back down to 12.045 and below. Consolidating here on the 1 minute. Yep, back above my entry there. New 5 minute candle. Let's see if it's going to bounce up on me or come down. we go. That's a nice move down. Let's see if it gets back below 45. 48, 47. Popping back up. Popping, stopping. Move my stop down to it's a 10 points to the 15-point stop. Our EMA line is at 63. Back above 50. See if we can get back below. TickTickTrader. Well, I don't know anything about their staff. I mean, I've only talked to one guy. Uh, this is only a month trial. If they don't like the performance, then it won't continue after the month. So we'll see what happens. They have a lot of, they definitely have some stuff that other props don't have. I looked at the cost of Jigsaw, the software they give out free, and that's a $600 piece of software plus a $50 a month subscription fee. So people would just be smart to buy. If people want Jigsaw, they could just do an evaluation with TickTick and be ahead of money. Thank you, Mr. J. Does not look like it wants to get back below 12,050 here. There's corn again. Why does corn want so much attention this morning? Oh, popping back up there. Ten minutes till the top of the hour. Retrospect, I wish I had just taken a regular mini, and we could have got a few points out of it. Let's see, back below 12,050. Let's see if it can break down here. New 5-minute candle. That's a nice move down. There's that 12,45, 44. 43 on the bid. Oh, 45. Oh, it wants to come all the way back up. I should have taken it. Let's see what happens here. Down to 44 again. 43. Taking it off the table there. Too much struggling at that level, which is the level of the bottom of the last hour. $56 winner, small winner. It might still come down, but I'll take the small win for now. It's still trying to come down. Yeah, I got out early. I should have got out with a couple, but that's okay, whatever. So now we watch and we wait for our next opportunity. Oh, and we update our P&L. Yep, I got out too early on that. I hate that. I said if I followed my plan, I jumped in here where after it broke. I would, 20 points since then. There's sine waving around the EMA there for a bit. Wow, 16 people here before 8 o'clock. That's a lot of people. How y'all doing today? How's everyone's weekend? I will continue to come down toward now under 1240. So we're just struggling to get under 1250, and now we're under 1240. Of course. Been a nice move of natural gas. I don't know if I just trust natural gas here. That was a beautiful reversal candle, but it's natural gas. Nice burst up here. From the break here, you can see it's going up over 50 ticks. But here it broke and then crushed down. So that would have been a little bit of a little bit problematic. There we go. Other metals been coming down as well. Platinum, nice move down in the middle of the night. Wheat, look at wheat moving down nicely. Not a metal, I know. Yen coming down. So we wait, and we watch, and we watch, and we wait. We're a couple minutes on the top of the hour. 1 for 1 on the morning. A little bit of a bounce here, about 3.5 points on NQ. Top of the hour in 5 seconds. There's the top of the hour. The gold bounced nicely after those two big red candles there. Everything's now showing green. Crude popped up as well. Morning, Andrew. How are you doing today? Top of the hour didn't rock our world. Rock our world, little country girl. I'm doing all right. Corn just won't go away. Up, down, up, down. Up, big Q trying to come back down. So it's gold. Everything all of a sudden back to trying to get back to red. Morning, Jay. How you doing, man? Or afternoon, Jay. Sorry. UltraBond continuing trying to rise up. Copper trying to bounce off the EMA. Natural gas still exploding. Things are going alright, Jay. Not wonderful, not horrible. Weather hasn't been too bad here, G. No, I've never seen Hamilton. Yeah, a little bit. Not severe yet, but yeah. I don't know where I got that rise up. Picked it up from somewhere. Gold and crude. Then that's not gold and crude. It's gold and crude. Rising up to the EMA lines. Good morning, CVR. Mr. G probably didn't really uh, haven't really paid attention to it. But we did have some severe rain on Friday from some thunderstorms, so that probably helped a little bit. Enough that my roof leaked and sent water into my bathroom. Popping up here on NQ and ES. Gold pulling back down. Copper tickling its EMA. So we're up $56 on the TickTickTrader account, $90 on Apex from last night. Be YOLOing that Apex later today because I need to either pass it or cancel it by Friday. Yeah, that's what it did last year. Good job, G. Up 8 points on this 5-minute candle. Back up above 12,050. Crude popping up to its EMA. Have a basement, have first floor, and then there's a bedroom and a small bathroom on a second floor. Gold's also risen up here, so we got a choice between gold and oil. And gold's pulling back some. Got like almost 3 minutes, almost 4 minutes, I mean, on this 5-minute candle. No, no flooding in the basement here. Everything rose up here 2 minutes ago in this 5-minute candle. Gold pulling back under its EMA, so that crude, nice move up here. Less than a minute to go in this 5-minute candle. Thank you. Trying to turn it white. Gold's trying again. Wait, crude as well. Getting some bullishness on just about everything. Oh, big, boy, that big candle in copper. I want to thank everyone for joining me this morning. Hope everyone's had a great weekend. Hope we're ready to tackle the markets. While we're waiting to see what we want to enter here from all these various touches of EMAs, let's have a word from our sponsor. Gold now showing bullish. Going long 3 micro contracts on gold. That stop loss looks way too low. Let's give that some less room here. Yeah, 31.6. What's the low from way back there? Let's make it this low here. There we go. Oh, nice move there. Recent high of gold, 36.4 or 34.7. NQ bouncing off its EMA. And Crude just kind of hanging on it. On its EMA, not NQ's EMA. That would be weird. So we're going to try and see if we get back up to that 36.4. But back down to my entry. Micro gold made a move there that regular gold didn't. Gold popped up to 34.9 on GC, but on micro it popped up to 35.3. It's a 4-tick difference. It's unusual. Crude bouncing back down off its EMA. Yep. Pull back here on gold. Yep. Gold's crossing back under. Looks like we're going to take the loss here. Big move down. Wow. That kind of sucked. Hello, Reggie. How you doing today? I'm doing all right. And Q popping up nicely here now. Trying to get above its EMA. Strong candle up 11.5 points. Gold bounced a little bit. Came within like a tick or two of my stop. Let's see if it comes back up. It's a nice rise up right there. I was ready to hit reversal on that sucker. See if it comes back up for us. There are 12 points on this candle here on NQ. What am I doing? ES the same. Let's find our NQ. No, I don't want NQ. I want MNQ. There's that. Okay. 14.5 points. Pull back a little bit. We'll watch. Gold back up to my entry. Wow. I thought I was going to get stopped out. I literally, it got within a tick of my stop. Now all the way back up to my entry. 2 minutes to go on this 5-minute candle on NQ. Gold back into profit. Nice. Strong rise up from that wick. Pulling back again though. And back down to my entry. Gold hates me this morning. Not sure why gold's being so whippy here all of a sudden. Whip it good. So I'll go look at 1 minute chart. $15 seconds on this 5-minute candle. We're going to take a long on NQ here. I think. Yeah, I'm going to take a long on NQ. And then burst up there. Only slightly late on that time. And gold continues to come down. Ah. Yay. Pull back there. Let's see if it comes back up. Gold pulls back as well. Why is everything running in unison today? Still feel bullish on this NQ. Don't feel so good about gold. But maybe it'll rise back up again. NQ's coming down. See if it bounces on that SMA, I mean EMA. I haven't said SMA in a long time. It's halfway down that last big candle on the 5. Gold's kind of stalled. Taking Q wants to come down to stop me out. See if it gets through that EMA. There we go. Possible bounce on that 1 minute EMA. Trading it, Reggie? Did you have to drive last night? Or overnight, I should say. Yeah, there's NQ rising back up. Meanwhile, gold is 1 tick from stopping us out. Okay, we're out of gold. So this ended up being a reversal instead of heading up, which is fine. There's NQ coming back up for us. And back down. Gold's on the fence. Eval, Chris. Good, because I could use a bar about now. I love this bar. It's my kind of place. Puts a big smile on my face. Toby Keith, everybody. Thank you. Indecisive. Gold very indecisive. It came down to stop us out and then went back up. Thank you for visiting my stop. Here's NQ rising up. Back up to my entry almost. I got scared of my entry. Nothing there gonna hurt you, NQ. Come on. Ouch. coming down here toward my stop. Be a pretty good stop out here for about 150 bucks. Okay, we're at it. Nice little burst down. Thank NQ for its patronage. Oh, don't even fucking know why. Everything's choppy right now. I'm not gonna sit here and get chopped out more than I already have. Gold, totally choppy. NQ's gonna come down. Oh, crude. Wow, big move down on crude. Huge move down on crude there. In the last half hour, crude's come down over a full point. NQ pops back up. So there's news that caused that crude collapse there. Reggie, I do the overnight streams once a month, usually on non-farm payroll days. Then I also do a 7-hour stream on FOMC days. Next FOMC day, I believe, is the 27th, 2 weeks from Wednesday. Gotta check that. I'm pretty sure that's right, though. And the next overnight stream is August 5th. Copper made that nice move up. Now it's pulling back. UltraBond. Look at the UltraBond go. See, this is what I've been trying to catch on the UltraBond. Unfortunately, this move started before I woke up. Look at that beautiful move on the UltraBond now. It's 26 ticks. Oh, we got a spammer. We got a spammer. Spammer gone. Natural gas blowing up. What time is YOLO being for the Apex? I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure how I want to YOLO it yet. What's the thing with a high percentage chance to win? And right now we're just in chop, except for this move down here on Crude. I'm trying to see if I could have played this better. Everything's kind of choppy today. I mean, things are moving better earlier in the morning, but this chop here led to a nice move down there, pulled back. And this is another nice move down. Very choppy for a Monday. Yes, sending a short signal there. ES bounced a little bit easier there than NQ did for sure. So nice bounce up, bounce down. Could have grabbed that for a couple of points. ES at its recent low there. See, this is a area consolidation back here as it tries to come down. Great job, Andrew. Excellent CBR. Good. Now don't trade it again. See how choppy we are here. Um, I should add a chopping sound effect to the streams. So we watch and we wait for our next opportunity. Copper trying to bounce off its CMA. UltraBond continues to rise up. And Q just hanging on that EMA. Definitely some ugliness. Ooh, big move down here in NQ. All of a sudden, 13 points down. It struggled to get back below 37. This is this line here. If it gets below there, then, you know, it might do some free falling. Under 15 minutes to the top of the hour, 9 o'clock on the East Coast, 8 o'clock my time. Crude desk opens then. We'll watch see what Crude does. Let's see NQ pulling back here. My there, folks. If you're enjoying the content, I'd love if you would hit that like button. Thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm so we can continue to grow. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love to have you as part of the herd here. We are 4 subscribers away from 700. Whoever the new subscriber is, thank you. Doesn't tell me who it is. Apparently you're hiding your identity. No, kidding. Feel free to say hello in the chat though. Gold's also coming down. but pulling back as well. Still nothing giving us any real direction. We want direction. And Q popping back up here on the new 5-minute candle, so nothing there either. Gold reverse back up. Natural gas was our big winner here right now. Crude's made a new low of the day. Natural gas has made a new high of the day. UltraBond's made a new high of the day. And Q back up to the EMA line. Gold. Copper. Okay. Oh, let's look at the way this is just hanging. Q trying to pop up again. Messed with it a little bit, but nothing in depth. I'm gonna try and set it up. I want to start trading the UltraBond more, so I am gonna try and set it up for UltraBond. And at first, kind of, I want to use it as just to enter orders, but to try and watch the DOM as I do. Maybe learn a little bit that way. I don't think something like NQ is I could ever watch an order flow and figure out how to trade it. Strong candle back up here, 12.5 points. Yes, we don't care. So we're hanging around 12.050. You can see we've come back to this level multiple times. It's ugly charts. New 5-minute candle. Chop fest. Gold rose up there by 17 ticks, but immediately popped back down. Copper's choppy as well. UltraBond continues to do nice things. So I think we're going to have to wait until the top of the hour to see if we have any new liquidity movement. Because right now we're not getting anything here. A little over 30 minutes from the bell. Gold trying to move up, move up here. Nice little pop up here. Try to get above this little top here. Yeah, it's Chop Fest City, Matt. There's a nice move though on NQ popping up to 0.67. It's reached its high on both of the last 15-minute candles. 3 straight 15-minute candles have hit this level. See it also hit, no, it's the same level. There, just broke it. There's a move up. Hey RJ, good morning. What happened to you Friday, RJ? Crude desk opening, moving downward. Gold not going anywhere, and Q not going anywhere. 30 minutes till the bell. Oh wow, they sound like Comcast here in the United States. Wow, that's ridiculous. Well, mark your calendar for August 5th. That's the next one. NQ is trying to rise up here. Thought might get up to 86, but it's kind of stalling here at 70. Excuse me. Morning accolades. How are you this morning? NQ not going anywhere right now. Oh, whoa. Crude popped up big there. Wow. Yeah, point and almost a point and a half. Gold's still undecided what it wants to do with its life. Good morning, Crypticon. Market just sucks this morning. Uh, yeah, kind of. I mean, you have 5 trading days a week, so Sunday evening into Monday afternoon's one trading day, Monday evening into Tuesday afternoon's the second, and so on. So last night and today are one trading day. Is one trading day, are one trading day, whatever the proper English is there. Morning, Ace. How are you doing? We found RJ. How was your weekend, Ace? So how's everyone else doing this morning? Is anyone else taking any trades in this choppy market? Choppy. Besides, I know Mr. G did. Glad to hear it, Ace. Small scalps, as long as they're green, are good scalps. And Q pulling back. About 16 minutes until the bell. Forward trades are the best trades, they always say. Actually, nobody actually says that. Rallo depth of market is included for anything from the CME, but at the other exchanges you need to pay $12 a month for. Good question. Wow, spammers are out today. Second one. Anyone looking for the best adult dating site around? While we're waiting for the bell and for some movement here, how about a word from our sponsor? So I can find the software here. There we go. Remember with TickTickTrader, get free Jigsaw, which is the software that CFT uses to get a Porsche. Bookmap is coming soon. And no minimum trading days to get funded. You literally can, if you had the skill to pass in one day, you could be set up the next day to be in your funded account. I so far obviously don't have that skill. Down then up here on NQ. My miss of the day so far has been crude oil. Who is who? I'm confused. Oh, you talking about the ad? TickTickTrader. Or what were you talking about, Crypticon? It's TickTickTrader. No minimum trading days, no consistency rule. So, uh, yeah, you can pass in one day if you have the skill. Great job, Matt. Green is green. And they say they get their funded accounts set up within 24 hours. So, past today, you could be trading your funded account tomorrow. Maybe Wednesday at the latest. We don't judge the size of packages here. And it's 45% off in July. They have a 25K and a 50K and a 100K account, or $99 express account. Correct. Actually, less than that if you're on the smaller account. No, you don't have to trade for 15 days. Not on TickTickTrader. Earn a trade, you have to trade for 15 days. TickTickTrader, no minimum trading days. As far as I'm aware, TickTickTrader is the only prop that does not have a minimum number of trading days. Yeah, earn a trade is another spam fest. Yeah, earn a trade is 15 days. TickTickTrader is 0 trading days. Well, 1 trading day. Be kind of hard to do it in 0. Yeah, they told me they're redesigning their site. You see that darn bull on Apex, you see it on Bowenox, and you see it on TickTick. But yeah, they're working on a site redesign. That was told last week. It's not that easy, RJ. Believe it or not, Earn and Trade says only 18% of traders ever pass the evaluations. So they're uh, they're making they're making good money because people don't do it right. And I mean, look at me. I haven't passed. I've passed one and then blew it. So you know, yeah. And it's not like you really get 50K. You get the amount of your drawdown basically, which is 2,000. Well, I mean, well, Crypticon, sign up. My link's down in the video description below. Go for it. I would, I don't necessarily advocate someone trying to do it in one day, but if someone has the skill to, absolutely. I'd love to hear about it. Absolutely. And Ace, that's the thing about these firms. Obviously, I'm not in a suit and tie here. These firms are, do everything from your own home. You don't even have to pay to, most real, like, New York, Chicago prop firms, you gotta pay for your seat and everything. None of that. I haven't worn a tie in probably 30 years. Couldn't imagine sitting here streaming in a suit and tie. Or a shirt, even a shirt and tie. We're about 5 minutes from the bell. I am 47. So wait, 30 years. No, bad math. Make that about 25 years. Wait, you mean we're supposed to get dressed to trade? Guys, uh, there's a reason I don't have a camera on. I mean, what's this getting dressed thing? Oh. Nope. I'm I'm an old man and who still hasn't figured out life. I said I'm 47. But many people say I look 30, at least when I don't have the beard. So right here before the open, we're pulling back. Well, I mean, I'm sure if you tell them that, they'll be fine with that, or otherwise you could wait until you come back from vacation. Another 2 minutes here, and we see NQ popping down about 12 points. I'm just not sure if you're not going to be back before the 31st of July. I'm not sure what their next month promo is. Well, I have a full beard right now, so no, not for me. 'm hoping one of these years I actually figure out life. Ten seconds until the bell. Ooh, big move down there on NQ right before the bell. Agriculture burst. That was a 16-point candle. Already down 12 points here. Big move down, selling off. bursting through support. $25 points down. Wow, big move down. 30 points. Yep. Hit that fourth band of the 5 and popped all the way, almost all the way back up. Hit the fourth band on the 15 as well. That just screamed reversal right there. In trading, nobody can hear you scream. Back to green. So this 1 minute candle's up 33 points, taking us back into the green and back to red and back to green. It's like a traffic light. Usually I say Christmas tree. Wow, what is this today? Meanwhile, we're still totally indecisive, so this is no different than the morning. The rest of the morning, I mean. 3 minutes in when we're up 4 points. I don't know where it's going. I only know where it's been. 12 points. Yeah, it did. Look at wheat. Big dump on wheat. Ooh, big dump on corn, too. All agriculture dumped. Totally indecisive here. And giving me a warning here. It's not getting enough. Let's see if my stream's having an issue. It says it's fine. Now maybe toward that 11,996. Wow. Now we, okay, 5 minute candle just closed, burst down right at the close, 40 points. There's what RJ called that just touched 999, 997. So it just hit the low of the day and burst through it. Boom. So great job, Crypticon. You caught a long on ES? Good job. Oh yeah, ES did. Wow, I didn't realize ES was interesting. That ES went the opposite way there, but now look at it come down. Wow. So we just blew through. We just blew through Friday's lows. Down 100 points now. Interesting that my 5-minute chart actually sent me a short signal right before the bell, and I should have listened. That would have been excellent. Gold is still being weird. Crude's leveled. UltraBond's kind of hanging. Copper came down nicely. Hold on a minute. We're still coming down here. I gotta check something. It's not the time. Hold on a minute. I'm back. Sorry about that. Excellent job, Crypticon. Meanwhile, we're still coming down here. Low of the day, 890 was the low of Thursday. And 990 would be the. I'm sorry, not 990. 912 would be the next resistance here, I think. Just an absolute. I didn't expect this. Not after the choppy morning we had, but we're down 123 points. I was going to enter a trade, but I got distracted. And now I don't want to try and enter this. It's like trying to. If I enter now, it's just going to reverse. Oh my god. Fourth time today. Wow, just look at this move. 145 points. 147. Just once, I want to catch one of these. 153. Almost at Thursday's lows. We just broke under 11, 900, I mean. That's what we're all about here at Mighty Ox Trading and Dating. So we touched Thursday's low. Pulling back up now. Anybody see this coming? Crude oil pulling back. Oh, I'm sure it is, Ace. Are you willing to tell us how many points you caught? Excellent job, Ace. RJ, yeah, awesome. That's excellent. Crude oil, big move down here. 75, 78 ticks. Still a minute to go on this 5-minute candle. I'm trying to figure out if Crypticon is a transformer. Pull back here on now on Crude. I got air blowing on the mic. I apologize for that. Do I look at what and where and how? Oops. I almost accidentally set off the bell again. Taking a short on Crude. 3 micro contracts. bouncy here. I'm a big Transformers fan, so I was wondering. I almost went with the name Optimus Prime. There we go. Look at this. Look at this micro crude trade. Trying to get back below 102. There we go. Out with 2, trailing with 1. So $70 profit on this crude for now. Watching and see if it continues to go down. Oops. I was hiding corn and natural gas. Crude continuing to try and move down here. Popping back up. This ends up engulfing that last minute candle. I'll take it off. Gotta continue down though. So hey, I finally found something that's working for me today. Mr. Crude. Maybe. Let's see if we can get back down below 102. It's struggling here, trying to bounce on 102. And Q kind of leveling out right around 11,900. ES down to 38.55. Oh, we just broke below 102 on crude. Ooh, look at that move down. Crude tearing down. Pulling back. We're going to get out there. Beautiful, beautiful trade on crude. We caught 35, 36, 38, 38, and 43. 38, 38, 43, 76, 79, $119 win. Yeah, I wasn't sure what he meant either, but I didn't want to sound dumb. So that was a great trade on crude. Thank you. Oh, wow. Look at this move. This is the type of move I want to try and catch. That's the wrong chart. Although that'd be a nice move on copper, too. But this is the type of move I've been trying to catch on the treasuries, on the UltraBond. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful move. On the treasuries, that's 2 points. That's $2,000. Unfortunately, it started while I was still sleeping. I gotta stop the sleeping thing. A different way of cheating, huh? So now we know RJ's secret. It's a different way of cheating. Excuse me while I handle eggs. Literally, I'm putting a grocery order away. Yeah, honestly, I'm not sure about it either. So show us the way. And while we wait for the next trade and RJ tells us about point and figure, everyone should take the chance to hit that like button if you're enjoying the content today. YouTube algorithm loves it. Three subscribers away now from 700. Oh, wow. Big burst up on gold. So gold finally got out of its malaise. Malaise? It's a word that I haven't used here on the stream. And look at NQ continuing to come down. NQ blew through Thursday's low. And lines everywhere. There's lines. Trying to head toward... I'm confused. 17. Okay. Okay, it was not Thursday's low. It was another resistance on Thursday. Thursday's low was 836. It's only 30 points away from there. Then we start getting into Wednesday. This hourly candle is now down 200 points. See, Bitcoin's selling off too, and not to the same level. Lately, Bitcoin and NQ have been kind of running together, but Bitcoin's not having the same sell-off. Oh, you know what? Oh. Well, there is point and figure charts here on TradingView, so let's convert it over and see what the heck it tells us. Wow, that's weird. They look like springs. Based on ATR, it looks like. I like the way Wednesday only has one spring. Yeah, definitely have to tell us how to figure that one out, because that looks interesting. $13-point bounce here. And we got out of Crude about the right time. As you see, it's recovering. Move down here on the Ultra. Huh. Seem to have more of a delay today. I noticed I'm looking at YouTube and looking at that where I just said what I said, and it's like delayed more than normal. As we approach the 10 o'clock hour on the East Coast, 9 o'clock here in the middle of corn and soybean land. I want to thank everyone for joining. Reminder, I stream every evening on Sharevision. Do about 2.5 hours of the Asia session, sometimes 3 if we're really hopping. 7:45 Eastern time in the evenings. And so do you think we got to pop back up here on crude? Looks like it's trying to. We have 2 minutes and some seconds on this 5-minute candle. The Voldemort room, huh? So do we try again on crude the other way? Do we? Maybe. Let's try it. Speak and spell. Always love speaking spells. Pulling back here on crude a bit as this candle closes. 'Meanwhile, IQ is continuing to consolidate. It's still showing kind of a bearish tendency. $17 ticks down here, waiting to see whether or not crude wants to go back up. See the pullback there in gold. So for the low of the day, 855. Back down to 868. Down, down, down. How's everybody else doing? We know RJ, Ace, and Crypticon made out well, and Mr. G always wins. Anyone else taking anything today? I mean, trades, not drugs. Good job, Matt. Crude not being helpful here. I hate unhelpful petroleum products. Pull back there on the treasuries. Big pullback, 15 ticks. Copper tried to come back up just to come back down. Great job, David. All. Hey, Michael ATF, good job. Ace, if you walked away while green, the Incredible Hulk would never be able to take a trade. Hello, Jessica. Welcome. I don't recognize your name, so I'm assuming you're new to the stream. Oh, God, this is the 5th time today for the spam. But anyway, welcome to the stream. Nice to have you. Still watching Crude here, but it's not going anywhere. Everything's kind of calmed down here after the top of the hour. Oh, okay. Nice. Ace, how come your spouse never comes on? Glad to hear that. Glad we are being a benefit, and glad you're enjoying the stream. Hey, Chef. Up and I'm down. I'm up on Apex. That was from last night. Down a bit on TickTick. It's been a choppy morning until like the bottom fell out. Anyway. How about you, Chef? You trading this morning? Oh, Ace. You seem like an incredibly nice guy, so I'm sure at one point you had women breaking down your door. Of course, I don't know anything what you look like. If you look like a caveman, then maybe not. I'm going to shut up now. Okay, nothing going on here. Let's go check out agriculture. Ooh, agriculture looks ugly. That's some ugly looking charts. What the hell? Ace has been on top of him though. Oh, Ace. Stop. And keep trying to get back up to 11,900. Let's go look at. Whoa, that's one heck of an hourly chart or hourly candle there. You're a runner, Ace. I don't believe that. Wow. Hey, Rika Stan, how are you? uh, Guys, welcome Rico Stan. He's an old friend that just refound me. He was from the Beer Money Reddit and helped me out a bunch back then with when I was sick. They're working on it, Rico. Working on it. Still trying to figure out life. Hey, Leonardo. Haven't seen you in a few days. How are you doing? RJ is too. Well, I think. I don't check the people that enter the room. This is what happens when the market gets slow. So, Rika, are you still doing beer money stuff, or did you quit all that? Wow. I have never seen this. This is the worst spam we've ever had. Oh, cool. I'm trying hard to get out of it. Yeah, I mean, I could change it to subscriber only. I'm not sure how many people chat that aren't subscribers. So that is that is a thought. Um, would maybe boost the subscriber numbers too. Crude oil's trying to come back down here. So it's snaked up, snaked down. Everybody look what's going around. Have a good one, Rico, and I'll try and stop in on your channel at some time. Matter of fact, let me find your channel. I think I subscribed. Did I just subscribe? Did I? No, I did not. I need. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did. If anyone's interested in uh, fish, like looks like uh, tropical fish, and as well as fishing and things like that, check out Rico's channel. Give him a follow. He actually has more subscribers than I do. Great job, Matt. Uh, Crude popping back up. Gold's back to being sideways. We're back above 900 on NQ. Back above 38. No, we have 38.64 on ES after going all the way down to 38.51. Copper's still trying to kind of grind down. We're sideways on the UltraBond. Natural gas is just kind of floating. So wheat's continuing to drop. I forget who's our wheat trader here. Big time drop. Look at this. This is actually interesting. Not sure. I know they were talking about the wheat in Ukraine the other day, but so this is wheat. Remember, wheat has the same tick value as ES. And even if you don't count this opening candle here, it's come down 16 points. So that's an $800 move. Great job. Yeah, I really wish this move had started on UltraBond after I had woken up. Because this would have been good, but I always hate getting into moves after they're already going. But you can see this ended up going up 32.64, 72 ticks at 31.25 a tick, well over $2,000. Sounds like most people are having green days today. Nothing's unpredictable, but in the end it's right. I hope you've had the time of your life. Green Day. Ah, sorry to hear that, Chef. You should. I mean, sure you're bringing up the right UB? I think there's a uh, no, I'm not sure why you're not getting it. It says future ultra U.S. Treasury bond futures. You should have that. I mean, unless you only pay for like, oops. Now I accidentally took away my UB. Hold on. There we go. UB 922. I need to remember though, I'm here looking at the 5-minute chart, which I'm trying to trade off of more. But when something's in a trend, I should look at the 1-minute chart and see if there's anywhere I can get in that's obvious. Oh, there we go. So you can see here, that's one heck of a trend. We did have that pullback, and it sent me a signal there. That would have been a little choppy, but you can see it's continuing to head up here. It can be tough to control oneself. And oil can be temperamental. So I'm looking for hopefully one more good trade. I'd like to get back to green today on tick 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 tick. I really wish they had named it something different. We're trying to come back down on ES. ES is showing more weakness right now than NQ. Although NQ is back under 900 as well. I was scared of the UltraBond for a while because it has the highest tick value of any future, 31.25 each. Now I realize that it's less whippy than like an NQ, and that's the same as almost about the same as taking just a 9-point loss on taking 6 ticks loss on UltraBond is no different than taking a 9-point loss on NQ. Oh, CFT is going to be so happy. Remember, folks, the UltraBond is what CFT used to get his Porsche. I mean, I do like it. I spent the weekends, well, I shouldn't say the weekend, but I spent like, I'll say 3 hours studying it this weekend. With its high tick value, you don't really need a lot of ticks to take profit. Yeah. It's almost like a video game. I mean, the killing the bots, not. So seriously, is there anybody here that chats that doesn't subscribe? Because I mean, I can go to subscriber only starting tomorrow. And if you are chatting, why aren't you subscribing? I can get it. They do not have a micro UB. There's a couple of micro treasuries, but they have like zero volume. If you look over here, we'll go to, let's see here. I don't even remember the I think there's a micro ZN. Yeah, micro 10-year. And you can see there's like zero volume. Daily is 1,000 contracts a day. Sometimes less than 1,000 contracts a day. You can see it on the 5-minute chart that it looks quite spotty. They are bringing out more and more micros, but unfortunately the micros aren't getting a lot of volume on anything besides the indices. Even gold and crude don't have a lot of volume on their micros. And it's a shame because I mean the micros could really get a lot more people involved if they somehow marketed them better, or I don't know. Excuse me. One sec. Oh. Chef, yeah, I did see an ad for that. That's interesting as well. Great job, Jessica. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. Yeah, that's definitely interesting. I mean, I do applaud. There's also, I think it's on, was it on, yeah, Elite Trader Funding. They had the Nano stuff that was put out last year that started with the really small. Matter of fact, the Nanos aren't even on Trading View. But there's a lot of stuff coming out that has the potential to get people into futures, but it's just like so far it hasn't really caught on. Darn, I missed the trade on hogs. Up, gold came down too there, popped back up. Yeah, good one, Ace. They must think traders are all hard up, that they're bombing the trading sites, channels. NQ popping up here. ES, gold, everything. Oh, what happened, Reggie? I think he's saying he's down buku money. I'm not sure. Oh, up buku? I'm not sure. Are you up or down, Reggie? I'm confused. If you're up, that's great. If you're down, I'm sorry. Okay, that's what I thought. You're down. Okay. I'm sorry to hear that. I was confused. So was Ace. Today was harder to trade, and then everything just dropped out of nowhere. Yeah. Yeah, but I think he meant to say I'm down buku money today. Typo. Confused us. You'll get it back. I have confidence in you. So everything's popping green right now, except for the UltraBond. There's for those new people that are looking at the UltraBond, like Ace and RJ, you'll find that oftentimes the UltraBond goes the opposite direction of what NQ and ES are doing. Not always the case, but it's often the case. Really, Chef? Ace, it can be, but that's kind of the allure. Some people don't like the quick pace of the ES and the NQ, and yet you can still have nice moves. I mean, like, anyway, Chef. Yeah, I was gonna say you could be doing any one of the Gauntlet minis. You sign up for a Gauntlet mini. Remember to use my link. uh, anyway, like here. Now this move started early in the morning, but see how nicely that trended. That's over a $2,000 move, and you can easily throw. It's like you can throw multiple contracts on them. So if you throw 5 contracts on this move, you're looking at 10K. So I definitely plan on adding UltraBond to my arsenal, but hopefully it'll give me. Excuse me 1 second. Yeah, exactly. One tick is 31.25. So instead of needing like two points, we talk about your 2 points on ES is $100. 3 ticks is the same on the UltraBond. And like this move here that I have shaded in green, that's 72 ticks. Okay, NQ's up to its EMA. We might go long here on NQ if it continues to. About that I sneezed, and apparently I sneezed in spammers. If this continues to come up, it might take a long, but great job, Matt. Oops, wrong button. Sorry, no winner. Wrong button. That's the button I wanted. In a long on MNQ. Rising up. Have a great day, Crypticon. See you tonight or tomorrow. Oh, look at this move up. Beautiful. Oh, beautiful. It's going to pull back. Shouldn't have started singing. It's kind of jumpy. Chef on TCP. Or are you doing a G mini now? Oh, okay. Okay. Scared me there. I thought you were going to have to lose money again. Great job, Chef. Have a great day, Ace. See you tomorrow. Well, this is coming all the way back down to my entry point. Pulling down underneath my entry. Possible reversal here. Honestly, that was not my best choice there to go there. It barely broke that line. We'll see though. If I had gone with a regular contract, I could have got 10 points and been done. This is my whole micros versus minis. What's Copper have to say? Copper's making that same sort of move. This one last word from our sponsor. Yeah, absolutely. Sorry you didn't find out sooner that they all have live sim. Looks like this is gonna come down, back down and stop me out. See if it bounces on the EMA. I'm glad you figured it out now, at least. think it's okay. Swirling. I think we're done swirling, maybe, hopefully. I'm still swirling. I've been trying to report them, Jay. Hasn't been working. They seem to be the same account each time, but I don't know. I can't tell. You know, we go weeks without seeing any, and then all of a sudden they're like all over the place. Still in this trade somehow. You can see here, this candle here literally touched our stop. Quite inappropriately, I might add. Looks like it is going to come down here. So, not quite the break we're looking for, and now it's going to stop us out. Yep, stopped out. 10 minutes to go in the stream, so it'll probably be our last trade, unfortunately. Got no momentum going today. It stopped me out and trying to head back up. Agriculture kind of settled down a bit. Yeah, me too. Me too. Crude oil came back up. Would have been a nice little win there. Alright, folks, I'm on Sharevision tonight. 7:45 Eastern Time. Trading the Asia session. Gold looks like it's trying to rise up. Pulling back there. Looking forward to get back above. No, pull back. Crude pulling back down again. So crude's been hanging right around this. I just pulled up NASDAQ instead of crude. Right around this EMA line, up, down, oh wait, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Oh, sorry. Yen hanging on its EMA. So if you liked the stream today, folks, I appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Trying to continue to rise up here to 700 subscribers and eventually, hopefully, 1,000. We hit 8,000 hours of watch time on the channel on Friday. Ridiculousness. So I'm not seeing anything else here that's really yelling that now crude. Maybe, I don't know. Each time it's broken the EMA, it's given a decent trade. Uh, the Gauntlet Mini has live sim. You can make up to $5,000 in the live sim on Gauntlet Mini. I do my best. Yep, folks, I think we're going to call it there for the day. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. Remember, Sharevision tonight. We're back here on YouTube tomorrow morning at 7:30 Eastern. I stay green, everybody, and we'll talk to you next time. Have a great day. Bye. I hope you enjoyed today's live stream. If you did, I'd love if you hit the thumbs up button. Remember, we do stream every morning on YouTube and Twitch from 7:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. and every evening on Sharevision from 7:45 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. and every Friday from 2 to 4 p.m. Also, I'd love to have you follow me on social media. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram at MightyOxTrading, and Reddit at r ox market trading. Have a great day.